Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Iksan. I'm from Biology Education, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Borneo, Tarakan. I will explain about nuclear power plant and their benefit and impact on ecosystem. To fulfill the text of Biology for Education, taught by Mr. Fadlan Muklas Abrori. So, a nuclear power plant or nuclear power plant in a thermal power plant that uses one or several nuclear reactors as a source of heat. Plant that use one or several nuclear reactors as a source of heat. The working principle of a nuclear power plant is almost the same as a steam power plant. Using high pressure steam to turn a turbine, this turbine rotation is converted into electrical energy. The difference is the heat counts used to produce heat. A nuclear power plant uses uranium as its heat source. Until 2015, there were 413 nuclear power plant operation in the world, which as a whole products around 1/6 of the world's electricity. Until now, about 16.6 units of nuclear power plant are being built in various countries, including China. 28 units, 11 Russian units, 7 Indian units, United Arab Emirates 4 units, South Korea 4 units, Pakistan and Taiwan each with 2 units. The nuclear energy has benefit and impact the must be considered. Here are the benefits of nuclear energy for humans. In the medical field, the benefits of nuclear energy for humans in the medical field are as diagnosis and also radiation therapy. This is currently very useful for those with cancer. In the field, it is often referred to nuclear medicine. X-ray are one of the results of the development of this technology development by many experts around the world. In the field agriculture, the next benefit of nuclear energy for humans is agriculture. In this case, nuclear technology is referred to as food irradiation. Food irradiation for the process of exposing food in radiation ionization for process aims to destroy bacteria, virus, and also intends that's the found in the food. This process use radiation from X-ray, gamma rays, and electron from the result of electron accelerators. Next is benefits of nuclear in the industry field. At present, many countries are utilizing nuclear energy in the industrial field. For example, in the exploration process as well as gas, the use of this technology is very beneficial. The use of nuclear technology uses neutron energy source from gamma rays and also radiation detectors that have been planted on the rocks to be studied. The ability of nuclear radiation has a very high penetrating power, making it very effective for expansion of material without having to do the micros. Basides being used for gas and oil exploration process. Nuclear technology is also used to measure homogeneity and density and as a road contraction designs. Next, in the field of electricity generation, nuclear technology is also used at electricity generation. This concept is applied by development countries in the world, such as Japan, Germany, Britain, and other development countries. Nuclear power plant does provide very large electrical energy compared to fossil energy. However, the application as a power plant requires not small cost and requires special attention terms of safety, so that reactor in the reactor does not leak. So this was the discussion about of the benefits of nuclear energy for humans. So, nuclear impacts on the environment and humans. Extreme climate change. The researchers say that the ecosystem on Earth will change for the worse if the nuclear explosion occurs, and the impact of a nuclear explosion will be worse than the effect caused by global warming and due to greenhouse gas. Prevention of nuclear explosion must be a concern of the international community. Even the development of nuclear energy itself already has dangerous potential that was never imagined before. And next, low radiation. Nuclear power plants constitutionally emit radiation into the surrounding environment. There are several opinions of scientists on the matter. Some scientists have about observed that still in increase in cancer patients in people who live in the area around nuclear power plant. The impact of nuclear energy that is exposed in the long term will cause interference and damage to DNA. The level of damage to implants will minimize, and the ozone layers due radiation exposed is still chain. Research in the underway to assess the magnitude of the impact caused by low radiation, especially for the environment itself. Next, radioactive waste. Radioactive waste on of the impact that must be ferrous. This radioactive waste will still be active for hundreds to thousands and years to come, and this time radioactive waste is stored in the power plant itself. However, due to elimination, this waste will definitely be recorded. And flora and fauna. Flora, the most visible impact the environment, especially and on flora and fauna. To make a nuclear power plant continually requires a large area and the most possible in the interior. Typically, forests will be cut down to make space for making nuclear power plants. Thus, the habitat of forests, types of flora and fauna will be lost, and will cause an imbalance in the ecosystem. Okay, thank you guys, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.